cloudy, overcast day. Probably get some rain. Feels like fall this morning. Getting ready to open up over here. These are my sunny side flowers. I'm just waiting for the rain to start. My medium potted plant is looking good. My willow cuttings. Looking good. Look at this garden, man. Look at these offshoots of this big flower. Look at this. Gonna have flowers here for a long time. Praise the Lord. Look at these guys. I'm gonna take a look this morning. New growth here. Looking beautiful. I planted my medium pots too. I did these the other day, I showed you, and then I planted the medium pots too because they just needed it. Got some life over here along this guy. This was my first sunflower that inspired me to pot the plants. So that's why this guy is so tall, because of this inspiration here. Remember I showed you several months ago? This is one of my tallest flowers. The cloud cover is probably going to wash that shot out a little bit, but anyways, look at all these guys. Everything's looking so good. This is my little guy. Looking beautiful. See the flowers along the edges that come out. Hundreds and thousands of them, and the bees come in. Well, there haven't been that many bees. They bite off that yellow tip. This was my first one. Grandpa, my tuba plant. I love this arc. This is very unique. I've had a couple of plants like this, but this guy is big and he's got a bee on him today. Maybe we can get a close up here. Hey, Mr. Bee. How's it going? Hey, I didn't mean to bother you. Come on back. It's okay. Grandpa, two petals left. That's it. 2. And then some smaller ones that are going to grow along that too. This is another grandpa. Coming inside here, another flower. Getting ready to grow. This tomato probably could be picked. And I did it. Okay, put that in my pocket. I've got another red one too, hiding over here. He's about ready too. That'll be my salad for this evening. So we've got the new growth and a cloudy, overcast day. I'm gonna shot with each of my flowers here. My sunny side, still got all his hair there, still got all his petals. Okay, Sunny. It is August 26th today, 2025. Got my iPhone camera, microphone. I hear my hummingbird, there he is. Come on. He's gonna let me take his picture today? I don't know. These guys are pretty tall. This came out brand new. This guy's been out a couple days. These are my 7-foot tall plants. Here's the duck or whatever that bird is over there. And again, these guys are getting ready. These are going to be tall too. These are my sunny sides. Okay, document. This guy's enormous. Enormous. Okay, I think that's good for now. Larry Capetto Gardening with Larry, a quick update. Just a quick shot of what I call my bird flower here. This one underneath here is one of the birds that I had to bury. It was a tiny, small plant. Just beautiful. Really good this year. No bugs really to speak of. It's amazing. I don't know how that happened, but it did. Oh, there's that bee again. It's on my small flower. He's eating the yellow tips off of those flowers, like I showed you. As that flower begins to fill in the head, those little flowers, still see the green in the middle. Shows you how much it's matured. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay. All right, Mr. B. Now he's gonna go up here. Maybe not. Come on. Get some water. Some of these guys. Follow me around. Who's dry? Who needs some water? Everybody else looks pretty good. I just don't feel like getting the hose out right now. Okay, I accidentally weed-eated these two sunflowers. I'm gonna put them in water from over there. I was weed eating this morning and accidentally cut them, so I put them in water. They're gonna still bloom. They'll bloom.